All right, she's looking mint. She's up there and in her final spot. Here you go, just a quick look at it, and then we will kind of detail how we got here. And hope you enjoy the video. And of course, just remember that if this guy can do it, hey everybody, so welcome back to the channel. Glad you are joining me here for part 2 of the attic remodel. This particular episode is going to be focused on getting these guys installed. These are Wafer LED lights. Great substitute for just your regular can lights. This is particularly nice because I don't have much room. My roof rafters are 2x4s, and so you only need 2 inches of space to go ahead and get these guys installed. You don't need the traditional can housing. These are IC rated, and so that way basically there's no risk of starting a fire when they get in touch with insulation. But as you can see, there's just 2 little clips here. This guy gets sprung. They're spring-loaded clips, so this guy gets basically put in its little recessed housing, and then this gets installed above, and it just screws together here. So nice and easy, nothing too complicated. So you'll see some footage of me doing the wiring, and then getting the wood prepped, and then these installed. So I hope you enjoy what you're watching. If you could subscribe, I would certainly appreciate it. And if you do become a new subscriber, please leave me a comment down below letting me know that you subscribed. I would be happy to send you a return message thanking you for being one of the founding members of the channel. So sit back, relax, enjoy, and then just remember, hey, if this guy can do it, so can you. Got the wiring completed here for the light project. Just giving you a quick look. Those are the boxes that came with the Wafer LED lights. Just went ahead and ran some Romex from basically box number 1 over to box number 2 here. Got it all tied in. That'll be our junction box. And then there is Wafer LED light number 3. So basically our distance here is 132 inches from that corner gable basically all the way over to here. So I'm going to have a nice a 1x10 here as well, right at the gable, and we'll go ahead and get a 45-degree cut on each end. So all this will be covered up, and we'll have 3 LED wafer lights, recessed lights in there. So it'll look really nice, but wiring is complete, and now we'll go ahead and take care of the lumber portion of the project.